Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to my channel. Today I received my grow bags parcel. Recently I ordered in online website. This grow bags was very strong and very thickness. This is 350 GSM quality grow bags. This is looking like green and white color. I have placed order, bulk order, uh, bulk quantity. I place 12 by 12 grow bags and 24 by 6 and 18 by 18 and 15 by 15 sizes. Uh, Here we are doing landscaping. That purpose we are placing bulk order. This grow bags is 350 GSM high quality. This color is parrot green. Looking very good and very thickness. This is approx 6 to 7 years lifespan. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you friends.